Igama lakhe lihlezi lisemaphepheni etindzabeni for the wrong reasons. Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. On today's file we have umculi waseLimpopo uLetlogonolo Chauke, lona 30 years old, lowatiwa ngeligama la Shebeshit. uShebeshit wabanjwa last month wayiswa phakathi inside emaseyileni because kwaba nesigameko lesenteka la yena watholakala sekadubula khona entanjethini letingathathi kahle 19 October 2025 nje ePolokwane. So kuthiwa yena wacala kudubula la bekunemlandzeli wakhe beka-happy khona ajabulele ukumbona amvusela ngale kulenye imoto, and then ubese uyasuka lapho uyadubula and lokho kwenta ukuthi loyo oludutshuliwe agcine sekayiswa esibhedlela for serious injuries mhla ka-8 December 2025 la bekaye khona e-court ePolokwane. Kuvela tindzaba letimangalisako ukuthi hayi bo, this guy usebenzise emaphoyisa wacamba amanga nje into letiningi ukuthi abalekele i-justice sukela 2015. Asathi ukuthi nabathi sukela 2015 ukuthi yonke le minyaka le 10 years later solobona bebayentana. Investigating officer ibese itshela le-court ukuthi hayi bo, lona lo solelwako uShebeshit wafoja ma-signature alama-victims wakhe la bekawayente kona loko, waba neti-statement leti-wrong nje tinto letinjalo ukuthi agcine angakabanjwanga. Lapho kule testimony leyo, after lo bufakazi lobulaste 5 hours kube sekuba njalo, wabese uyuluza kanjalo i-bail yakhe, kwabese kuthiwa hhayi ayime kancane indzaba ye-bail. Officer Makola claimed that lo mculi lona bekathola i-protection lengekho i-protection le bekungamelanga ayithole from the policies la bona bebamvikela khona, bese lo yena ubese wenta kakhulu into engamelanga atende because uze washo ukuthi sila kulesimo lesi salama-case langaka lakawentile because kube nemaphoyisa labe aphazamisa isandla semthetho. So asathi ukuthi bobani labo maphoyisa because bathi bekathi makenda i-crime yena bekathola i-protection. So labo bantu badlale i-role enkulu kakhulu kule violent behavior yakhe lanayo uShebeshit. So according to Makola, Shebeshit waba nema-case lamaningi lakavulele wona but awazange a-prosecute because la ma-case lawa bekathola i-protection kumaphoyisa, including le case yakhe ye-assault leyendeka eMankwening. Lama-victims lawo ashajwa bese kwayenteka loko naloko, mara bufakazi buyanyamalala nasekumele kuvule ama-case, amaphoyisa atenda ngathi anema-amnesia bese ama-case atholakala sekacishiwe. That's what they told inkantolo ukuthi no, kuningi. And it is reported that the complaint was not given a J8 form to determine the extent of his injuries at the hospital. The matter was suppressed by the police officials and no further investigations were done. Kusho Makola njalo uma sekangeta ubufakazi bakhe la bekabuthula lapha enkantolo. Kune-case levuliwe elibuka Homo Police Station lefaka lokuthi atholakale anesibhamu lesingekho emthethweni. And Shebeshit akazange nje abe umuntu loba nenkinga naloko, ubese uya-accuse futhi for trespassing ikhaya lomunye wemfati, in search of her son. Nje guys kuningi. So Makola ubese nje ngalokukhulu ukuthi Themba nawe ngokuba sure ukuthi lento ayikhulumako ifanele, uvele washo ukuthi inkosi enkantolo, this one aka-qualify for i-bail because if uyamkhipha today ngiyathemba ukuthi uthi aphuma nje afike aqale adubule ende loko lokufuna ngoyo cause uma simkhipha la sho ukuthi sikhondona le behavior yakhe lakanayo. So guys, that's why ibese iya-postpone i-bail application yakhe. So sitawubona khona ukuthi ibese imbekaphi lento yakhe la ayifunako cause kuningi for uShebeshile. Kwathi kusenjalo isamisiwe le bail application yamhla ka-8 Disemba, kwaphinde kwaba naleyo futhi i-bail application yamhla ka-10. Nalapho la ifike khona yadinaywa, and then ithi mayidinaywa njalo leyo bail, kwabonakala ukuthi onke lama-festival, the shows, the gigs, whatever, labe bambhukhile, kumele a-return-e leyo mali, hhayi nema-refund. Kuthiwa leyo mali ingafika la ku-2 M. So guys, kuningi okwenzakalayo. As for Shebeshile, akahlale lapha njengawo wonke umuntu until kuze kubonakale ukuthi i-way forward ithini, because yena makaphushela aphushela ukuthi athole i-bail. So it's like uthi ngiyekeleni ngihambe ngiyochubeka ngale ndaba engibhizi ngayo guys. That's all for today. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ngizonibona ku-video elandelayo. Bye.